Alright, wanted to do a quick video here talking a little bit about, why it might be important to have a 6-foot level. Kind of crazy for me to buy one. I actually got it on a good price. It was about 40 bucks. It's magnetic. It's made by Johnson. I do like it. But I was thinking all the way home, do I really need a 6-foot level? Who does this? So I could imagine in the trades, but who puts in a 6-foot level or buys a 6-foot level when they're doing little shop projects, right? Well, the thing I want to show you here is a problem with my workbench, which I am actually glad I got the 6-foot level. So the 6-foot level is going to show you here how nice and tight this stuff is, but then look over here. Can you see all that space in between there? Basically, this whole bar and this bar here are not up to level. I mean, they're level by themselves if I were to use a 4-foot or like a 2-foot level or a torpedo level, things like that. They are level, but they're not level with the side rails, okay, the stretchers. So I could do a couple things. I could use some lathe and tuck that lathe down in there. I could plane out this lathe or cut it up a little bit, and that thing would go away. That would go away. Sorry for the camera motion here. That would go away. It's actually quite perfect. Just trim a little piece off of this side here, and that would go away. But I would argue, why don't you do it right? Fix the thing. Fix the glitch. Don't just compensate for it, especially because I don't have the top on yet. If I spent all this money, or if you spend all this money on a top, you have a beautiful plan, and you bought 19 4x4s like I did, okay? I'm going to tell you right now, a 4x8 would have been a lot easier and cheaper than a 5x10. I mean, obviously because of the size, but all the cutting and all the waste. Like, I've got 4x4 waste all over the place. That, yeah, I'm going to probably be able to sneak it in here and do some framing once I know for sure what I want my assembly table area to look like. But back to my point is, I'm gonna take these out and redo it. I don't know where. Maybe I'll put them over just a little tad more, but I'm gonna redo it because such an opportunity to do this, to fix it and do it right. So that's the lesson.